Annyeonghaseyo, say special student. Good evening. So today, I am going to discuss our story for this week. What's the title of the story? The Best Bee.
Long time ago, there was a bee named Billy. Billy was a little bee, but he was brave and wise. He enjoyed playing in the garden. One sunny day, he was behind on the fire. He was brave enough to help other bees out.
Okay. So I am going to discuss the story. Listen carefully ha. At makanan ko right after my discussion. Okay. The Best Bee. Long time ago, there was a bee named Belly. Belly was a cute little bee, but he was brave and wise. He enjoyed playing in the garden. One sunny day, he saw a beehive set on the fire. He was brave enough to help other bees out. So, unsa nga word ang ninyo kasampi? Kailan mo bee?
Yes.
What's bee in Bisaya? Buyog. What's beehive? Tabaw daw mo unsay beehive? Balay sa buyog. Very good. Which is, balay sa buyog, anak ta, makakuha o honey. Very good. Clap your hands. Pagutin natin mo sa story. Then, long time ago there was a name, Sibeli. Sibeli was a little cute bee. Remember, Sibeli is a bee also ha. Buyog gihapon siya. So, he was brave and wise. Or say brave. What is brave? Iso. Very good. Why iso ba siya? He enjoyed playing in the garden. One sunny day, also may sunny day. What sunny day? Init, no? Like hingarong na klima diri sa tuwa. Init kayo sa no. One sunny day, he saw a beehive. Nakakita siya balay sa putyukan which is on the fire. Anong nag-fire mo sa bumikan kay? Init kaayo ang panahon. So, ang beehive is nag-fire, nasunog. Nasunog, no? So, he was brave enough to help others bees out. Yun sa maniya, ang uban na bee, nga naapa dito sa beehive. Wala pa kagawas. Yun sa maniya. Iyang gitabangan. Para dili sila maapil o kasunog. No? O sunog. So, what's the moral lesson of the story? Kung kamo panangitan, gaduwa mo. Gaduwa mo, no? While you're playing, nay natumba, nay nasamad. Tabangan ninyo o yung biyaan? So, si Dalgit, sige sa tumba. Ano mo siya nakatumba sa Dalgit? Oh, so you need to help each other kay kamong may gadula. Even though dili kinyo kailan mo, basta kakita mo, tabangan ninyo, di ba? Like for example, makakita mo lula, nitambok sa karsada. Karsada naman niya si lula, itong mo din niya? Ha? Itong mo din si lula, no? Dili. Itong mo, dili. Masaman, itong mo, tabangan. Oh, tabangan. Which is, naasad na sa akong good manners and morals, no? Oh, lagi na good manners lagi. So you need to help each other. Dili pwede nga kamoy gadula, diyaan ra ninyo kung nasabad siya or natumba siya, kinahalang tabangan. Like sa gibuhat ni Belly sa iyang mga friend na bees. Kasabot ra sa story? Kasabot ra. So, now, start memorize the story. And tomorrow is Junkin. Saan ka doon? Start memorize the story. And tomorrow is Wednesday. By Thursday, I am going to video. Very good. So now, start memorize the story. Bye for now.
Bye.